Part 4. The rules we never knew existed. Neither of them spoke for several seconds. The train disappeared into the distance, but Mia and Ashir remained exactly where they were, staring at the cafe across the tracks. It's green again, Mia whispered. Ashir nodded slowly. And it's blue for me. Mia looked down at her trembling hands. This can't be happening. I know. There has to be a logical explanation. I've been trying to find one for months. She looked up. Months? Asher let out a quiet sigh. I noticed you long before you noticed me. Mia blinked. What? The first time you walked straight through me. Mia felt the chill run down her spine. What do you mean? You couldn't see me. At first, I thought you were just another passenger, but every morning you were standing in the same place, wearing different clothes, holding the same vanilla latte. I thought maybe I was imagining things. So, why didn't you talk to me? I tried. His answer was almost a whisper. I don't know, but 2 weeks ago you suddenly looked at me and smiled. Mia searched her memory. She remembered that morning. She had smiled at a stranger without knowing why. She had thought he looked familiar. Now she knew why. Asher smiled faintly. I don't think our words suddenly connected. I think they have been trying to. A loud announcement echoed through the station. The 8:45 service is now arriving at platform 2. Mia glanced at the giant clock. Wait. Ashir followed her gaze. What is it? Look. The second hand had stopped. Passengers kept walking. Trains kept moving. But the clock above platform 3 wasn't ticking anymore. 1 second, 2 seconds, three, then without warning, time rushed forward. The second hand jumped nearly a full minute. People stumbled slightly as if they'd all lost a heartbeat without realizing it. Did you see that? Mia whispered. I did. Asher's voice was barely audible. It's happening again. Before Mia could ask what he meant, a little boy ran across the platform chasing a red balloon. The balloon slipped from his hands and floated upward. Without thinking, Mia reached for it at the exact same moment Asher did too. Their hands touched. The balloon stopped in midair. Everything froze, the trains, the passengers, even the rain. The entire station fell into complete silence. Only Mia and Asher could still move. They looked around in disbelief. The world had stopped, and for the very first time, they were completely alone, not in different years, but in the exact same moment.